Welcome, my friend. How you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, hi, my name is Simi, and I hope you guys enjoy this video and decide to come back again. Okay, so in today's video, I'm making some barbecue turkey legs. It's a requested video from one of my friends, so I got around to getting some turkey legs and I'm making it. I just wish I had some better size one. All of the ingredients, you guys, will be in the description. I don't have exact measurements because, you know, you use seasoning how you would like. Okay, so anyway, I'm just seasoning up my my turkey legs, and then we're gonna go ahead and put them in the oven. I preheated my oven to 400 degrees, and that's what we're going to cook it on. I'm going to cook it for about an hour and a half. So I'm going to cook it for an hour, take it out, see where we at. Then we're going to add our barbecue sauce and let that go ahead and cook down with it. And after that, we'll go on to the next step. Okay, you guys, this is my barbecue of choice. You use whatever you like, and I'm only gonna put barbecue sauce on 3 of them because my son does not like that barbecue sauce. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use a brush and put barbecue sauce on them, and then I'm gonna put it back in the oven for about 10-15 minutes. At this point, the meat is really tender and it's really falling off the bone. So I'm gonna sauce it up, put it back in the oven, and that's it. The rest of this video, you're gonna see me make my cabbage. I have videos already on how I make my cabbage. But I thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I really appreciate every single one of you who come back to watch the videos. And if you would really take the time out to just smash that like button, subscribe if you like the content, and I would really appreciate it. Just to get the algorithm going, please leave a comment, subscribe, like, and if you like it, come back and watch another one. I appreciate you guys so much. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.